In this video, we'll show you the features and uses of optaroXL. To set up optaroXL, connect the device to your iPad using the short USB-C cable. The optaroXL app is required to use the device. You can download it for free from the Apple App Store. optaroXL is designed with enough space underneath it to easily slide in a letter or document for viewing without having to lift up the device. The user interface features intuitive icons which allow you to configure optaroXL to suit your specific needs. For example, use the underline feature to improve your ability to stay on a selected row of text while reading it. Or simply select the option that is most comfortable for you from among 14 false color modes. The Tell Me feature reads aloud the text visible on the screen immediately and without analyzing it.
An iPad-friendly reading aid, Optaro Registered XL transforms the iPad into a mobile screen,
which is especially helpful when reading newspapers or text in small print. The OCR camera captures a significantly wider field of view. This makes it easy to capture and read aloud even longer passages of text, such as a letter.
Just for you, this innovative service package for all private property insurance policies offers a high degree.
In addition to reading speed and various word highlighting options, you can choose other read-aloud text display options, such as text as a block here.
Our new offer just for you.
optaroXL can be used in various positions. The intermediate position provides an ergonomic view of the display. For an optimal view of reading material and enlarged text, optaroXL can be adjusted to a different display position. This also facilitates writing or doing crafts. The stand is equipped with glides on the legs, which make it particularly easy to move the device. This makes it easy to guide optaroXL over large format reading materials, such as newspapers. optaroXL, reading comfort smartly conceived.